Hello and welcome to the spoken tutorial on my first HTML program. In this tutorial, we will learn structure of an HTML document, write a sample HTML program, save and run the HTML program. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to use any text editor and a web browser. If not, then go through gedit text editor and Firefox tutorial on this website. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, HTML5, gedit text editor, and Firefox web browser. However, you may use any other text editor or browser of your choice. The files used in this tutorial are available in the code files link on this tutorial page. Please download and extract them. Now, we'll see how to create and run simple HTML programs. First, open your text editor. I've already opened my gedit text editor. Let us start to write our HTML code. For this demo, I have already written a code and will be explaining the same. The same file is available in the codes file link as mentioned earlier. Doc type HTML. Each HTML document begins with doc type before the actual HTML code starts. Here's the doc type tag. I have mentioned the type of the document as HTML. Make sure that you have written the keyword doc type in capital letters. Next comes the HTML section, which has our actual content. The HTML code has to be written between these two tags. After the HTML tag, we have the head section. The head section contains the header information of the page like title, description, keywords, and more. I've mentioned the title of this page as Farmers Market with the help of the title tag. After the head section comes the body section. The body section is the one which has the content to be displayed on the web page. For this demo, I have written a welcome message with the help of H1 heading tag. While writing your HTML code, please use proper indentation. This will make the code neat and more readable. Our code is ready, so let's save the file now. I will press Ctrl+S keywords on my keyboard. Now, choose the desired location to save your file. I will select desktop on my machine. Here, I will create a folder with the help of Create Folder button and name my file as my-html. This folder will help me to organize my HTML file in a single location on my machine. Click on Create button. I will save the name of my file as my first page.html. Please note that the HTML file has to be saved with either .html or .htm extension. Lastly, click on Save button. Our file is saved now. Let's confirm this. Open the desktop. Here is the folder my-html which I had created. Double-click on it to see what it contains. And here is our HTML file. We have successfully created our HTML file and saved it. Now let's see how to run it. Right-click on the file and select Open with option. Then choose any browser that is available. I will choose Firefox. This will open our HTML file in the Firefox web browser. The web page opens, but instead of our HTML code, we see only the text which we mentioned in the body section. Welcome to Farmers Market. Notice the browser's title, it says Farmers Market. This is the text we had mentioned in the head section. The browser interprets the tag we used and displays only the content. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned structure of an HTML document, write a sample HTML program, save and run the program. As an assignment, create my homepage.html using any text editor. Set the title as my assignment. It has to display welcome to my first HTML page. Open the HTML page in a web browser and see the output. Do you have questions in this spoken tutorial? Please visit this website. Choose the minute and the second where you have the question. Explain your question briefly. Someone from our team will answer them. The Spoken Tutorial Forum is for specific questions on this tutorial. Please do not post unrelated and general questions on them. This will help reduce the clutter. With less clutter, we can use this discussion as instructional material. This is Isaac from the African Leadership University signing off. Thank you for joining.